Hello everyone, it's your favorite amateur video editor. Favorite? How presumptive of me. Anyways, there's been a delay on my reaction video for Mad Max Fury Road. I decided to edit it some more at the last minute. Gonna be removing some things, gonna be adding some things. Anything to make it creative enough so I can avoid Warner Brothers copyright claims. Of course, this means re-rendering it, re-uploading it, and reprocessing it. So you'll be getting the video tomorrow. Evening. I promise I won't make this a trend.